How To series is back and better than ever. So, how to microwave stuff. Microwave. So, first thing you need to do is get a plate. Pizza rolls, something like that. Put it in the microwave. Okay, and set the timer for usually 30 seconds or 1 minute, depending on how long the instructions say. Or if it's popcorn, or a beverage, or or a potato, or a vegetable, or cook, or reheat, just click one of those buttons. Yeah. And put it in there. And bam. You're done. So congratulations. You learned how to microwave.